The excitement for the upcoming Galaxy S24 series is reaching its peak as the official unveiling date approaches on January 17th. There are some exciting rumors and features that have tech enthusiasts buzzing. 1. Faster touchscreens *. One of the hot rumors is that the new Galaxy S24 series might feature touchscreens that respond over 10% faster than previous models. This improvement promises a quicker and more fluid user experience, especially when combined with Samsung's One UI interface. 2. Enhanced S Pen experience *. The S24 Ultra, the only model supporting the S Pen, is expected to offer an even better stylus experience. This is great news for users who rely on the S Pen for various tasks, including note-taking and creative work. 3. Cutting-edge display technology *. Samsung is pushing the boundaries of display technology with the new series. The Super AMOLED 2X displays, potentially featuring LTPO backplanes and made with M13 materials, are rumored to reach an impressive brightness of up to 2,600 nits. To put this in context, the Galaxy S23 series already impressed with a peak brightness of 1,750 nits, so this enhancement promises exceptional screen clarity and visibility, especially in bright outdoor conditions. 4. Save the date *. The official unveiling of the Galaxy S24 series is set for January 17th at the Unpacked event in San Jose, California. This event is expected to reveal all the details about these highly anticipated smartphones. As we count down to the big reveal, tech enthusiasts are eagerly awaiting the confirmation of these rumors and the chance to experience the new Galaxy S24 series. If you're excited about these developments, be sure to like, subscribe for more tech updates, and share your thoughts in the comments. Are you Team Galaxy S24, still loving the S23, or simply enjoying all the tech news? Stay curious, and keep exploring the world of technology.